What's up guys, I'm Lan here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can play YouTube videos in the background. So I'm going to do this on my iPhone. So I found a trick. I'm not sure whether this is a glitch or trick. I'm going to be using iPhone XR. So before starting the video, let me go to the settings and let me show you what model I'm using. So as you can see, if I tap on my about section, this is an iPhone XR running on iOS 13. So I'm not sure on which iOS version this trick would be working, but as of now with iOS 13 this is working. Let's just get started with the video. But before that, if you're new here on my channel and if you happen to enjoy this video till the end, give this video a thumbs up and also please subscribe to my channel as it gives me motivation to make more of this kind of videos. With that being said, let's jump right into the video. So as I was saying, I'm gonna just do this on my iPhone. So in order to play your YouTube videos in the background, you have to open Safari. So let me open Safari and you have to go to youtube.com. As you can see, it's already open. So it's youtube.com. So remember, you have to open Safari. This would not work. Let it be on your YouTube mobile application or any other browser. So you have to go to Safari and then you have to make sure that this is http www.youtube.com, not m.youtube.com. So basically you have to go to the desktop site. So to be double sure, you can just tap on this icon and you can see that it's already on the desktop mode. So I can, if I want, I can go to this mobile website, but I don't want to do that. So what I have to do, so as you can see, this is a song from Vlog, no copyright music. So I'm just gonna try to play it in the background and let's see what happens. So let me just try to play it. As you can see, it's playing. So let me swipe up. As you can see, the song stopped. But if you go to the notification panel, you can resume the song from here. As you can see, right now the YouTube is not open and I'm playing the song in the background. Okay, so as you can see, so this is the trick guys. I wanted to show to you that this is how you can play YouTube videos in the background. This is only working with iOS 13. I'm not sure whether with other iOS version it would be working or not. So give it a try and let me know whether it is working with your iPhone or not. So this was just a short video showing you this little trick. If you like the video, give this video a thumbs up and as always subscribe to my channel as well. With that being said, I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.